Hi, my name is Javed and I teach English. I currently live in Lahore, Pakistan, but I have lived in the USA, Africa, Middle East, and in many other countries for quite a number of years. I have over 25 years of experience in travel and tourism industry, and I have traveled extensively throughout the world. My English courses are based on the grammar, vocabulary, and simple conversation practice. So if you are interested either to learn the basics or you want to practice your conversation skills, you're more than welcome to contact me. I am a flexible person. I understand that different people, different students have different needs. So if you have any specific needs that you want to be included in the duration of the course, then you're more than welcome. I'll adjust them as per the need. As I said, I'm flexible. So if you just want to conversate, you know English already, but you just want to practice it, that is also fine by me. Great, thank you very much, and I am expecting and hoping to see you in the class. Thank you. Bye-bye.